Now you see the question number 16. Two resistors A and B of resistances 4 and 6 are connected in parallel. The combination is connected across a 6-volt battery of negligible internal resistance. First you make the diagram. Here there are two resistors A and B of resistances 4 ohm and 6 ohm. This is A and this is B. Parallel. The combination is connected across a 6-volt battery of negligible internal resistance. It means its internal resistance is negligible, therefore terminal potential difference V will be equal to EMF E. You know this formula. V equals to E minus I into small r. If R equals to 0, then V equals to what? E. Terminal potential difference will be equal to EMF. It is clear? You have to determine power supplied by the battery and the power dissipated in each resistor. Power supplied by the battery, how will you find? So first you find the equivalent resistance of the combination. What is the equivalent resistance? Equivalent resistance of combination. What will be the equivalent resistance of combination? Here they are connected in parallel, so you know the formula R1 R2 upon R1 plus R2. R1 R2, that is 4 into 6 upon 4 plus 6, that is 24 upon 10. It is equal to 2.4 ohm. It is clear? Now to equivalent resistance is 2.4 ohm. Now you have to find the power consumed. Here voltage is given how much? 6 volt. So power consumed, you write down power consumed. P equals to V square upon R. What is V here? V is given 6 into 6 upon 2.4. You simplify 36 upon 2.4. That is equals to 360 upon 24. 12 2 ja and 12 3 ja. That is equals to 15 watt. Power consumed will be equal to the 15 watt. You note down this. This will be the power consumed. Now after this you have to determine the power consumed across each bulb. What is the across each resistor? So see here. Since these two are connected in parallel, therefore there will be same potential drop across them and it will be equal to terminal potential difference. It is clear? So potential difference across each resistor, it is equal to 6 volt. इसके अक्रॉस कितना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? 6 वोल्ट. यहाँ कितना पोटेंशियल डिफरेंस? 6 वोल्ट. रजिस्टेंसेज पता है. सो व्हाट विल बी द पावर कंज्यूम्ड इन ए? V square upon R. What is V here? 6 into 6, and what is R? That is 4. 6 6 ja 36 upon 4. That is equals to 9 watt. 4 9 ja 36. It's clear? What is the power consumed in the other PB? It will be equal to V square upon R. What is V here? 6 into 6 and R is 6. So it will be 6 watt, means A के क्रॉस 9 वाट की पावर कंज्यूम होगी एंड B के क्रॉस 6 watt. A across 9 watt and B 6 watt. Now see here, if you add this 9 plus 6, 15, total power will come out 15. बट यहां पर पहले टोटल पावर पूछा गया था तो इसलिए पहले इक्विवेलेंट रेजिस्टेंस निकालना पड़ा. बट अगर कहीं क्वेश्चन के पार्ट्स को उल्टा कर देते, what is the power consumed in A, what is the power consumed in B, and then what is the total power consumed, so we can write 9 plus 6 equals to 15 watt. Now question number 17. Have you noted? Question number 17. A battery of EMF 15 volt E equals to 15 volt and internal resistance small r equals to 2 ohm is connected to the two resistors of the resistances 4 and 6 joined in series. They are connected to two resistors of 4 and 6, 4 ohm and 6 ohm. Joined in series. This is the battery. This is 15 volt and this is 2 ohm. This. You have to find electrical energy spent per minute in 6 ohm resistor. How much electrical energy is spending in 6 ohm resistor in 1 minute. So see here, first of all you determine the current. In 1 minute you have to determine T equals to 1 minute equals to how many seconds? 60. So what will you do? First of all you will determine the current drawn, because if current is known then same current will flow throughout. Current will be known, I is known, R is given, T is given. So I square RT, by applying I square RT you can find the energy consumed across 6 ohm resistor. It is clear? So see here, what is the total external resistance? Total resistance in the external circuit. External resistance. What is the total resistance in the external circuit? R equals to 4 plus 6. These are the external resistors, while this is the internal. So it will be equal to 4 plus 6, 10 ohm. It is clear? So what will be the current drawn? Current drawn from battery. This is I equals to E upon capital R plus small r. Substitute the value. E is given how much? 15. Capital R is 10 and small r is 2. So 15 upon 2, 12. So it will come out 3 5 ja 15. 5 upon 4 ampere. I am not writing it in the decimal because in the question current has not been asked. It is not the final answer. Final answer you will always write in the decimal. You will not write in the fraction. It is clear? हमको तो फाइंड करना है कि कितनी पावर इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी कंज्यूम हो रही है. Therefore current through 6 ohm, it will be equal to 5/4 ampere. Therefore, electrical energy consumed in 6 ohm, that you can find by using I square R into T. Substitute the values. I is given 5/4 into 5/4 because it is I square. It is clear. R is given 6 and time is given 60. So this way you can calculate. It will come out 562.5 joule. $562.5 joule. Have you noted? Now see the question number 18. Water in an electric kettle connected to a 220 volt supply takes 5 minutes to reach the boiling point. See here, this is some electric kettle. जिन्होंने इलेक्ट्रिक केटल देखा होगा उसमें नीचे यहाँ पर क्या होता है, एक फिलामेंट लगा रहता है. इट्स क्लियर. ये फिलामेंट लगा रहता है, यहाँ से 2 वायर निकल आते हैं ऐसे, ये इसको हम कनेक्ट कर देते हैं ना. देखी होगी. जिन्होंने ना देखा हो, किसी भी जहाँ पर ये मिलती है, जो इलेक्ट्रिसिटी की दुकान शॉप्स होती है, उनमें जाके देख सकते हैं. देख ले कि हमको खरीदना है, बाद में पसंद नहीं आई ना, वो तो तुम्हारे ऊपर है ना, देख तो सकते हैं. सो सी हियर, दिस इज द इलेक्ट्रिक केटल. ढक्कन भी होगा. So, water in an electric kettle is connected to a 220 volt supply, takes 5 minutes to reach its boiling point. Some amount of water is filled in this and it is connected to 220 volt supply, and it takes how much time? 5 minutes to reach at its boiling point. What is the boiling point of water? 100 degrees Celsius. If how long it will take if the supply voltage falls to the 200 volt. अगर सप्लाई वोल्टेज 220 की जगह 200 वोल्ट हो जाए तो क्या यही टाइम लगेगा कि कुछ और टाइम लगेगा? सो टाइम क्या होगा? बढ़ जाएगा, क्योंकि वोल्टेज क्या हो गया? कम हो गया. देयरफॉर इट इज गेटिंग मोर पावर, lesser power. It is getting lesser power. It is getting lesser power. When it is getting lesser energy per unit time, what will happen? It will take more time. It is clear? Because whether it is connected to 220 volt or connected to the 200 volt, in both cases it will require equal amount of energy for reaching up to the boiling point. So you write down as water will require same amount of energy. Water will require same amount of energy to reach at its boiling point at both the voltages. Therefore, from E equals to V square T upon R. It's clear. Now see here, if we assume that the resistance of the filament of kettle is 100 ohm, what will be the effect on the resistance when voltage is changed? अगर हम ये एज्यूम कर ले कि इस केटल के फिलामेंट का रेजिस्टेंस कितना है, 100 ओम है, तो उस रेजिस्टेंस पर क्या इफेक्ट पड़ेगा अगर वोल्टेज चेंज करेंगे? तो कोई भी इफेक्ट नहीं पड़ेगा, बिकॉज द रेजिस्टेंस now see here, because resistance do not depend upon the voltage. It is clear? So see here from here in the first case, what is V? V is given 220 whole square. What is T? T is given how much? 6 minutes, 5 minutes, 5 minutes. Resistance is same. You can write here in the bracket that resistance will remain same. T you have to determine R. Resistance of kettle will remain unaffected. It's clear? So now you simplify. Unaffected by change in voltage. By change in voltage. So this will be cancelled, R cancelled. What will be T? It will be 220 into 220 into 5 upon 200 into 200. So it will come out 6.05 minutes. Here there is no need to change time in second. It's clear? Because in both the sides I have taken it same. Now question number 19 I will just explain, because 2021 already I have explained, so it is based on the same thing. Question number 19 you can see, an electric toaster draws current 8 ampere in the circuit with source of 220 volt. So what will be the power of electric toaster? It will be V into I, 220 into 8, this much watt. It is used for 2 hours. Find the cost of operating. So power you have calculated in the watt, V into I. So what will be the energy consumed in 2 hours? Power into time. Power into time. You will get in watt hour, because power you have taken in watt, time you have taken in hour. So you will get the answer in watt hour. How will you convert in kilowatt hour? Divided by 1000. It is clear? And then after calculating the energy consumed, you will calculate the cost by what rate? 4.50 per kilowatt hour. So जितना सपोज आया है 10, so 10 किलोवाट आवर आया है, तो कितना कास्ट हो जाएगा? 10 into 4.50. So जो भी यहाँ पर आए. So this question you can do.